On today's video, we got a F-150, and we're going to be showing you how to pretty much remove your headlights, because it's something that most people need to know how to do in case you got a bad headlight assembly or you need to replace your bulbs. This makes it a whole lot easier. So let's just get this video started. So you can remove this little tab here. It just makes it easier, and this won't be attached to the headlight. A lot of the times they held in place with a couple tabs. This one has not got them, so you can just pretty well move that out of the way. That's what the other tabs should have been. And you got a 10mm here you will need to take loose, and you have two 10mm up top on the headlight assembly, dot and dot. So go ahead and take out them 3 bolts. I got a 10mm, that's what these are. Double check, make sure you got all 3 10mm bolts out. And once you get that, you do have some tabs that's in here, and they're kind of a push tab that helps hold it in. Most new model headlights have them on the sides here, so you will have to take both hands, one here, just kind of get onto it right here and pull straight out by pulling here, being kind of gentle. If I can find a way to hold my phone here, I will show you how I do it. It's that simple. Now your bulbs, you can unplug them or a twist out. Some of these little plugs, if you're taking your headlight out, just assemble. It's easier to just twist them out then unplug them. But you can do it either way. Now, to install it again, you just line your tabs straight up, hit a pop in place, put your 3 10mm on, put that little radiator air deflector, that's what that does. That helps deflect air into your condenser and your radiator. So you definitely want to put that back. And other than that, that's pretty well got it. Now if you enjoyed this how-to video, drop me a like, leave me a comment. I enjoy hearing from everyone if they find these videos helpful, and all that good stuff. And be sure to hit that subscribe button. I appreciate the support from my channel, and I'll see you on the next how-to video. Thank you for watching.